I am in awe. I am in complete awe. This has been a dream come true for me. When I was young, I always wanted the horse and carriage, and a friend of mine had done it about 6 years ago. And right when I saw it, I knew I had to find one. And then I found Denise on Facebook and booked her. And that was the first vendor I booked, even during a pandemic. We're really excited about this journey together.
Yeah.
And to complete my fairy tale, even during a COVID pandemic, it did not get in the way of making my dreams come true.
Yep. I'm not sure.